Naasahan namin na tatalakayin ulit ng majority block ito. Siyempre, yung minority mo, kokontra po ulit dito. So, bagamat outnumbered po kami, aminado po kami, pipilitin po namin talagang harangin po ito. We will go down fighting.
Kumustahin ko lang po, after the walkout yesterday, ano po ba ang na-discuss ng minority?
Yung plano nga po, na sa Monday, outnumbered po kami. Yun ang sinabi ni Minority Leader Soto at saka ni Sen. Migs, outnumbered tayo. So how do we do this? And sabi lang natin, we will just keep on raising. We will question. Gusto natin malaman ano ba. Pero definitely, we will not allow them to divide the House without even discussing the issue or hearing from them. Why is it so necessary to change the rules na pwede ng video conferencing, where in fact, we're in normal times. Dati nauso yung video conferencing because of the pandemic. Wala namang pandemic na ngayon. Everything seems normal. So why do we have to change the rules? Diba? Babalik natin sa dati. That's what we need. Number two, we want to find out there's a justifiable reason. What are the justifiable reason other than national emergency and force majeure?
So, unacceptable po talaga. Hindi po, it's not something, yung remote or online voting.
I'm not saying it's unacceptable, Ms. Cheryl.
Opo.
The reason why really yesterday nagkaroon ng away, ng gulo, because they haven't even laid down and explain what is it, what kind of law. The Senate President, Cayetano, already stood up and said, let's just divide the House and make a vote. Hindi yun ang tamang procedure. Pag-usapan natin. Kini-question nga ni Senator Ping Lacson na, okay, this is kind of new. Hindi, last week pa ito, Senator Marcoleta, May 11. And pero, according to the rules, pag may mga ganon, you have to submit it to the Committee on Rules. Unfortunately, hindi pa nakikreate yung Committee on Rules dahil, di ba, it was declared vacant. So, there was no committee on rules. There was no chairman. So, paano tanggapin ng Senate Committee on Rules? And then they rebutted. They said, kaya nga binabalik natin sa floor. No, kailangan dumaan muna sa rules. That's what you're saying. That's what Senator Lacson is saying. And then, sinabi pa ni Sen. Pierre, dapat pagdebatihan muna. Sa Section 136, dapat mayroong argumentation, may discussion tayo, para before pag-decide natin. Hindi, gusto nila i-shortcut. They want to do it short. Kaya tumayo na ako and I said, why are you in a hurry to pass this section na amending the old one na only force majeure and national emergency will allow yung video conferencing of senators to attend the session. Hindi naman lang nasagot ako. Pagkatapos, so sinabi ko na, is it because for some of our colleagues who will be arrested? Dahil sabi nga I was just basing my statement on what Ombudsman Remulla was saying earlier today na merong issue ng warrant of arrest. And then, siguro Senator Bato del Rosa in hiding right now. So could it be